Good evening, folks. Welcome to my humble little shop of broken equipment and safety infractions. So I've got some clips making this part. This is, well, what I'm going to be dubbing the female end of my telescopic lead screw for the taper attachment. So there's your female end. And there's the male end of the lead screw. You see you put the male end into the female end and you get a bunch of baby lead screws. So yeah, my reamer came in yesterday, so I decided to go ahead and proceed with this part. So first of all, I had so many problems with this part. Yeah, that feels pretty freaking hard. I think it might actually be 4140. I think it's already hardened though, which is kind of making things a little on the difficult side. So I slowed it right down. Not right down, but I don't know, this is not working out so great. It's just not. I'm gonna bust this damn drill bit off in there. It's not doing shit. Wow. Well, that's a problem. Yeah, my cheapo drill just kept on getting dull in there, so then I had to anneal it. And then naturally after that, I decided to change how I was going to do it entirely and put it in between centers. That was interesting, I guess. It's all cooled off, but it warped so bad. Like there was just, it's pretty it's pretty warped. So yeah, I got it all centered out here. And I'll try to clean it up. Make sure the centers are all cleaned up here. And the reason for putting it between centers was it was just so freaking warped. It was it was kind of beyond repair after that. So I had to just to true it up. Yeah, once it was all turned to size, everything else went pretty much like clockwork, I suppose. And I stepped it up, put a little bit better drill bit in there. At least I think it is. Yeah, way better drill bit. Of course, it's annealed now, at least it should be. Nowhere near the pressure I was putting on it before. Like I said, these bits are just terrible. They do not want to cooperate whatsoever. I'm 2 sizes under 3/8 just because. Terrible. They're all herky-jerky. It's garbage. Yeah, I'll have to check out YouTube for some tutorials on reaming stuff. I know it seems probably pretty arbitrary to a seasoned veteran, but you know, for me, this is a new tool for me. Well, thank God that worked better than last time. Oh, I just had a major freak out. I questioned myself whether I was dyeing the right piece. Alright, actually we got one more little turning operation on the forge jaw here. We still got to turn this down to 3/8 or just a shade under for a nice slip fit in that sleeve deal there. I'm kind of all over the place here, guys. I'm sorry. It's going to be another nightmare video to edit for sure. Shooting for 2 thou under. Oh, and that is almost friggin' bang on. That should make for a really nice slip fit. Yeah, it was just really unfortunate that a 1 hour job on a potentially unremarkable part took 3 hours to do. You know, I was kind of losing my attention to the whole videoing thing. And lots of the footage was plagued with upside down and sideways video. And that's a better shot. Damn auto rotate. Which brings us full circle back to the lathe to mill out the keyways. And same problem, cheap shitty tools. Uh-oh. Did you bust the end mill? I think I did. Well, try to hold the camera steady here. I think this end mill is toast. These 4 end mills here are potentially the only good ones I have. And they're not even great ones. They're not bad. They got a 1/2 inch carbide, I got 2 1/4 inch carbides, and this one is what I think to be a 532, but it's the M42 Cobalt. Like when I ordered it, I honestly didn't think it was a little stubby guy like that, but it did do the trick. It worked good before, so. That is my only 2 good end mills. The rest of my end mills are either AccuSize or guys like this that come in a pack of 5 or 6, and you know, in these little blue cases, you get 5 or 6 end mills with about 4 or 5 center drills, and I think they're about $25 for the whole shebang. So actually, this one just barely made it through. I don't know if I can get a good focus on that thing there. Right at the end there, bust a tooth off of it. Gave up the goat right at the bitter end. You did good, little end mill. You did good. Rest in peace. I will put you to rest with the rest of your fallen brothers and sisters. But as pathetic as it sounds, like what I've been doing for the most part is just taking these, anything with a 1/4 inch shank, and Loctiting it into these little, this little end mill holder. So after I totally destroyed that other one, I think I got a sideways picture of it somewhere. I was starting to get a little fed up, and I ended up drilling a hole in the side of there and putting a set screw in it. But even this stupid little thing I got problems again from, you guessed it, more shitty tools. I actually twisted a tap. So there must be either, I don't think there's any temper in this. It just destroyed it. That's not even hard. And this guy too. All right. Finally, I think I got it. Got it on there nice, and it's pretty snug, but it's there's no slop in there whatsoever anymore. So that's what I was shooting for. Like, oh my God, that hole turned out a little bit on the tapered side or something. So every time I made a pin, it was supposed to be the right size, and then it turned out it was a ridiculous problem. You know, everything worked out pretty good though, despite all the little trials and tribulations. Like even the fit on here is just still got a little bit of air suction in there, so a little bit of oil, and so it's got a very good fit. Threads all fit, everything fits. Yeah, so even in regards to oh my God, that's a lot of WD-40. in regards to flood coolant or lubrication. You know, I still got lots to learn. What I'm doing with the WD-40 is not so much for lubrication. It's mostly just to clean those little chips out of there because they keep plugging it up. And it should provide some lubrication. I guess some emulsified oil would probably be ideal for this sort of thing. But I don't got that, so. You know, that metal's getting hot. I'm gonna back out. Well, it's not bad. Oh, it's warm. Well, the little the little end mill's doing it. Like I said, the WD-40 is just for cooling issues and chip clearance issues. But I do make an effort to learn, and you know, eventually to get it right. Yep. So I guess just rolling with the punches. That's how you get. That's how you learn. First you get good, then you get fast. Well, that should be all for this little project for now. I'm still gonna have to wrangle up some more material. I'm not gonna give away the big plan just yet. So you guys have a great evening. Thanks for watching. Peace out.